All right, guys, welcome to Module 5 here today. So welcome to everybody on our AQX offer and pricing mastery section. This training will empower you to confidently present our AQX Pro offering and pricing to customers. By the end of this session, you'll have the knowledge and tools to position AQX as the ideal solution for your customers. So let's dive in and let's get started. Let's learn what the right offer, the right pricing is going to work for it. So first and foremost, we want to introduce the power of AQX, right? And here's the gist. It's a platform that helps people build and deploy voice AI agents. Businesses can use them to automate tasks like answering calls or responding to customer inquiries or on their website or doing outbound calls and whatnot. So agents can be set up as a website voice bubble. You can handle inquiries online or as phone assistants, managing incoming calls and whatnot. So there's a wide variety of things it could do. Now, from the perspective of the platform itself, the platform is designed to help you keep things super simple. Businesses can create agents that fit their specific needs. They could answer FAQ questions, collecting lead information, or even scheduling appointments. So any type of tier one request can all be customized to match how the business operates within the platform itself. And we'll be giving you a product demo as well, so you'll have a very good understanding of it. And this is where you come in as an AQX Pro, right? So while some businesses might want to experiment and build agents on their own, a lot of them are going to need help. And that's your role, guiding them through that process, answering questions, and even building these custom agents if they want. So you are essentially the expert that they're going to turn to when they need a solution, but don't know where to start. And that's the job here. So AQX has three tiers, right? There's a starter tier, there's pro, and then there's growth. Each one is designed to meet different paths and different needs, depending on where a business is in its journey. Let's take a closer look at each of these three options and how that guides you. So the starter plan is completely free, right? It's making it great for testing voice AI application. It provides access to a single AI agent that can be connected to a phone or a website. The AI agent itself uses the AQX branding, which is suitable for testing, but not for customized use. But you can actually have it deploy on a website. The starter plan itself includes 30 minutes of usage, after which users must upgrade to a paid plan for additional usage. So this one, the starter plan, completely free. It's a great option for someone just looking to get into and test the water as a wedge into voice AI. So you can make it connected to a phone line or a website voice bubble. So I always recommend start with the starter plan to get the customer in. It has AQX branding, but it's good enough for everybody. So you get about 30 minutes of usage per month on it. There's no option for overage. If they want more, they're going to be required to upgrade. So make sure that they sign up from your link as an AQX Pro so we can track that upgrade. And this plan is a perfect opener, right? So you can offer it to clients as a risk-free option just to get started and test it out if they like. And that's when they're going to see value when people upgrade and they're going to want more minutes and things of that nature. So think of the starter plan as your wedge into the market for new clients. And it's an incredibly powerful way just to build trust and credibility with new prospects. Next, you have the Pro plan, right? The Pro plan costs about $99 a month. It's ideal for professionals or small businesses that have basic needs but want more flexibility and a professional feel that they get with the free plan. So it includes unlimited agent personas, voice bubbles, as many as you want, about 300 minutes of usage per month. So if a client goes over those minutes, the overage rate is about 27 cents per minute. And this is a plan that also integrates with tools like Go High Level, Zapier, Make.com, Salesforce, HubSpot, which really makes it easier to connect to CRMs and calendars. So if a client wants an agent built for them, custom built agents, which is kind of the setup, we always say go to the growth plan, charge a setup fee of about $1,000 or so. That's what a growth plan kind of does. So it's $399 a month. It's designed for businesses who have a lot more call volume and complex needs. So it includes everything in the Pro plan with a few key upgrades. So you get about 1,800 minutes included per month. The overage rate drops to about 21 cents a minute. It comes with priority support, which means faster that they run into any issues. So if you want any sort of custom agent, price them at like maybe 500 each or something like that, about 50% each discount compared to the Pro plan. This is kind of like your setup fee. Most people will want 2 or 3 agents. So this plan is perfect for businesses that rely heavily on phone calls or need a lot of flexibility and kind of want to grow with you. Now, for the pricing itself, right, we can definitely, for higher volume, for enterprise, we can guide you through step-by-step on this. We're working with some clients who have like 1 million, 2 million, 3 million minutes a month, so to speak. So we can definitely help you out in that to lower the amount on the per minute rate. So there's a downloadable pricing table below this video, which breaks all this down. So take a look with it, get familiar with it, so you can guide clients towards plan and figure out what makes the most sense for their needs. The features within the plan itself, they're designed to cover the needs of most businesses. So these are pricing tiers that are fixed. So whether clients are just testing the platform with the start plan, which is kind of like your free offer, or they kind of want to step up their game with the pro plan or handle higher call volumes or go enterprise, the plans will sort of choose the features, and it's all covered in the table below or on our website. So as an AQX Pro, though, to add a unique layer of value with these plans, people still need help implementing the platform itself. So when it comes to building their voice AI agents and getting the voice AI agents to connect to their CRM systems and do specific tasks, for most business owners, learning how to create and deploy these agents from scratch just isn't practical. So this is where your expertise makes all the difference. It's your ability to design and deploy these custom agents for businesses, and let them just focus on what they do best while you handle the technical side. So I do want to say that, before we move on from the pricing side, if there's any enterprise solutions, right, businesses whose needs sort of fall outside of these traditional plans, they might have extremely high call volume, complex CRM systems, or business structures. So whatever that might look like, you might need a custom API or just a lower rate for call minutes to lower that. So just reach out to the support team at support@aqx.com, or email me directly, right? Like email me directly, omar@aqx.ai. I want to talk to you. I want to help you win that business. I've done that with some existing pros. So we're going to work with you, and we're going to make sure that the business for you is customized and tailored solution that fits your needs. So we're here to help you win. We're here to support you. Absolutely. So for any of those like clients that are signed up for the right plan, your role extends to ensure that they're set up for success and they remain satisfied with the service in the long term. So retaining clients isn't just about getting them started. It's about providing ongoing value to see you and AQX as an integral part of their operations. So most businesses don't want to spend time learning how to create their own voice AI agents. So they want to offload that task to you. You're kind of that trusted go-to person for them. So they're busy running their operation. They want to rely on experts like you to help them make the most of the platform. And this is where custom agent building services sort of come in. So what we recommend is, charge at least $1,000 each for this. So, when a business signs up through you, they'll choose one of the AQX plans, Starter, Pro, or Growth. From here, you have the opportunity to basically offer them a custom built agent for business that need help implementing the platform. So in the Pro plan, we recommend custom agents to be $1,000 each. So we've seen people go all the way up to $5,000 to kind of set up this entire system for them and integrations and whatnot. So you can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. You get to keep all of that for yourself. And the Growth plan custom agents are $500 each, offering significant savings for higher tier clients. So again, most people in the Growth plan will want at least 2 agents, so that kind of fits the bill. So this approach keeps the subscription pricing consistent, and it gives you flexibility to rely on your expertise for the actual implementation. So if we take a look at a few examples, right? A local restaurant might sign up for the Pro plan, but need an agent to handle incoming calls and taking reservations. So instead of figuring it out themselves, they pay you to design the agent for them. A dental clinic who gets a lot more call volume, they're going to be on the Growth plan. They want an agent to automate appointment scheduling and answer patient inquiries. They pay the discount rate for you to create a solution kind of that's best suited for their needs. Same thing goes with an e-commerce business. So any sort of SaaS e-commerce business that may be in a Growth plan. You might want a voice bubble that provides product recommendations or technical support. It collects customer data. So they rely on you to kind of make that happen. So by offering these services and having a setup fee associated with it, you're providing businesses with exactly what they need without them having to invest time or effort about learning the platform itself. So for them, it's about convenience and expertise. For you, it's an additional revenue stream that rewards your skills and your efforts. So it's really a dual role, right? When it comes to earning, it's about signing businesses up for AQX subscriptions and then providing those custom agent building services and building your AI as a service empire. So that's what's going to make you indispensable to that business owner. And not only do you earn 30% of the monthly subscription revenue from each client that you onboard, you get to keep 100% of the setup fees for any custom agents that you create, right? We're about to create a marketplace as well where you can list those custom agents that you create and maybe get a permanent rate from it as well. So ultimately, what you do is about creating relationships that last by providing consistent value, whether that's through onboarding, agent building, or ongoing customer support. You ensure that your clients stay for the long run. So that's what builds trust, that's what creates loyalty and leads to sustainable growth for both you and your clients. Now, let's take a moment to focus on the numbers, right? Specifically how setup fees and recurring revenue come together to help you build a sustainable and profitable business. So first, let's talk about the setup fees. These represent the time, effort, and expertise required to create high quality, tailored voice AI agents for your clients. So like I mentioned earlier, you earn 100% of those setup fees for every agent that you built. That means these fees go directly to you, essentially rewarding you for your hands-on role in helping clients through that setup process. And trust me, people have paid up to $5,000 on this. So I think that's also a discount lever that you use. You charge anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 to the end business, and see where you kind of land, and feel free to discount that, maybe waive that for your early ones. So setup fees are just one step of the puzzle. Your long-term earnings also come from recurring revenue generated by the clients that you onboard. So for every business relationship you onboard and maintain, you're going to earn 30% of their monthly subscription payment for as long as they remain a customer. So if a business is paying about $1,000 a month, you get to keep $300 a month as long as they remain a customer. So this means, your role in onboarding, supporting the client, being there for them directly contributes to building a scalable income stream for you as an AQX pro. Let's take a look at a quick example, right? Say you onboard a client into the growth plan at $399 a month. You'll earn 30% of that, around $119 each month for as long as they stay subscribed. If they decide to add custom agents, you'll be able to collect 100% of the setup fees for the services. It's about $500. And this combination of recurring revenue and setup fees ensures that your clients to onboard and retain clients pay off both in the short term and over time. Now, this is a very easy to understand small example, but we're being very conservative here, right? So let's say you're looking to achieve a realistic goal of onboarding one client per week to the growth plan, and you charge the full sort of $500 setup fee. This is a chart that illustrates how powerful the setup fee could be. So we fundamentally believe that we've put the chart as month 18, right? There's no reason why you can't be hitting that in month 18 to make 10,000 a month. To be honest with you, I think you should be doing that in the first 6 months. So $8,600 of that is just recurring revenue. So meaning that you don't need to do any extra work to get it. It's just coming from existing clients. So our story really is like in the first 6 months, you should be able to hit these figures, but we've gone super, super conservative and showed this to you in terms of what it looks like. So if you do this properly, especially if you're doing it full time, there's no reason why you shouldn't be getting 3 to 4 clients per week. Right now, we've dedicated this as 1 client per week. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, like I said, key advantage, like just waive or discount the setup fee in the beginning to get that word of mouth going. Sometimes you're going to encounter clients who are excited about the services you offer. Some people are hesitant. Just waive the setup fee in case you want to secure that business and build that goodwill. So if you're confident that these are going to be generating long-term recurring revenue, just waive that in the beginning. And this is a tool that's just used to build trust and relationships. So don't just give discounts. It's just important to place a high value in your skills and expertise. Be flexible in your approach when you're getting those clients in the early days. The goal is to present AQX confidently. Not every conversation will be smooth sailing. You're likely to encounter objections and you want to be prepared to address them. So one of the most common concerns is the cost. Here's an example how you might respond. So I completely understand that cost is a concern, but let's look at what I'm actually offering. By automating things like customer inquiry, scheduling, you're actually saving not only a ton of time, but you're also saving employee. There's attached the cost of AQX to payroll value. The Pro plan gives you about $1,250 in payroll value. The Growth plan gives you about $3,500 in payroll value. So attach it to that number and create these opportunities to grow your business. So it's not a tool, it's an investment in your future. So stay calm, showcase your value. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're offering a solution to a real problem, and you're selling that transformation to become an AI-enabled business. You can do an AI workshop if you like, just to kind of guide them through this. As an AQX Pro, you're there to help businesses navigate the process every step of the way and guide them and build that AI as a service. So handling objections, right? We have some modules, some templates here for you. Cost savings from automations are a key benefit of AQX. You want to highlight how the time and money saved can be reinvested to drive that business growth. You want to position AQX as an investment in the client's future success, not just a tool. So you want to emphasize how it can help them achieve their long-term goals and objectives. So maintain a very calm and confident demeanor when addressing objections. This will put the client at ease and show that you have a solution to their concern. And as an AQX Pro, you're there to guide the client through that entire process. So reassure them that you will be there supporting them every step of the way. It's super, super critical. And then of course, from a client engagement perspective, right? Always leave clients with a clear next steps. Clients always come first. Customer service is number one. So encourage them to schedule a follow-up call after every discussion to sort of discuss their specific needs and implementations. And most importantly, just remind them that you're there to help, whether it's to answer questions, build custom agents, or ensure that they get the most out of their subscription. When you approach these conversations with confidence and a genuine desire to help, clients will see you as a valuable partner in their success, and that's what you kind of want to be. By now, you should feel very equipped to at least present AQX to the clients. Of course, you got to see a demo, which we're going to show you in the next few modules, but you've learned how AQX is going to work as a platform, how its subscription plans are structured, how building these custom voice agents can help businesses unlock the full potential of voice AI. We've broken down the earning opportunities from recurring revenue to setup fees, and we've explored how to present AQX confidently to potential clients. It's time to put everything that you've learned into action Start by reviewing the downloadable pricing table below this video. Think about how you'll present this offer to businesses in your niche. And then when you're ready, reach out to them in confidence. And just remember, the community is here to support you. So our objective is to support you every step of the way. There's going to be weekly training calls. If you're ever stuck, just ask us. You can always ping us in the Slack channel. We're going to help you out there every step of the way. And if you feel that there's something missing, so we'll guide you throughout that step. So that's really our goal, to support you in this. On the next few modules, someone else is going to take over and present the platform to you. Thank you guys. It's been a pleasure. Welcome again to the AQX Pro community, and we look forward to growing with you. Again, if you need anything from me, feel free to just shoot us a message in the Slack group, and we'll definitely get back to you. Thank you all, everybody. Speak to you soon.